welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to... Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the beach.
No, we're not going to the beach. Where are we going? Lai, do you know where we're going? Huh? Do you know where? Huh?
I do not.
Yes? Where?
Mall.
Mall. Okay,
What's
let's see
that?
where we're going.
Is that Nani's work? Mommy, that's not.
We are going to Tortiga and Daddy.
No, we're going to the mall.
We're going to the mall? Which mall?
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know. Let's
Why the car didn't stop when the line stopped?
May speed limit.
meron po.
Hey, look. Nice car.
80 kilometers.
80 kilometers per hour.
For sure.
Because a place
How
where
many? 55?
lots of nice.
Miles good day dito, tita?
Oh.
Because it's high class.
Mommy,
There's
I
even a
don't
signature.
see the building.
Which building are you talking about?
Look, flower.
What is that flower? It's called Kalachuchi.
Where are you going?
Opo.
Where are you
That's
going?
It's
Kalachuchi.
white flower.
Where are you
That's
going?
Kalachuchi.
There's no jaywalking.
Mommy.
Yes.
That tree looks like in the island.
What do you mean by jaywalking?
What island?
The tree.
Which island are you talking about?
Philippines?
No, that's tree.
Oh, in the movie?
Juju?
Huh?
Line.
Which island?
Tree.
Ah,
The tree.
It looks like island.
we're passing by the train station. Al-Sad. Kwan. Al-Sad station.
I want to ride in the train.
We are...
So, but ang train, it's not within the city, sa mga rural
I
areas.
know, not murals. It's
Mommy, I want to ride in the train. It's so fun.
Okay.
not the murals. The
So, may stop sa mga city.
is it murals?
Murals ka na.
Ay, may Krispy Kreme, KFC.
Hey, it's Qatar flag. I see Qatar flag.
Oh, you tell Lola about which one is the Qatar flag. Oh, see, there's Qatar flag. Oh.
What's the color of the Qatar flag?
White and? It's maroon. It's dark red.
Oh, sa soup.
Sa Sukokit ba? Sukokit brand.
Yeah?
Lahat itong mga kuhan, karaan ng mga gamit, tinahang
Oh, katong na kaldero dito dako kayo.
Oh, yeah.
areas, dito. O mga kuhan, tinahang mga karaan ng mga kuhan.
As in, dagko kayo na kaldero.
Pwede magkatulak ka dito.
Wikipedia.
So, ang buildings, hindi require na may ano ng Qatari na na design. At least may lang ba? Kasi ang ibang parang
Modern na?
Parang modern na.
Ay, daghan tag makita ng modern building dito.
Hindi sila required na
Hindi
at least
naman.
may feature ng
Hindi.
Qatari
Money siya ang Hamad. Diba? The government hospital.
Oo.
This one, Hamad City. Kani hospital ni siya tanan. Kani hospital. Dire both sides. Kini. And then kini.
Mommy, where's the
Kini
mall?
hospital ni nila kani.
Mommy, where's the mall? Is it very far? No, look, it's very near.
Wow!
That is
Vintage car moving around. They always gathered at Qatar.
nice.
Maybe now they will gather in the... it's not...
Kana, women's hospital na din hatita. Diha kana. Kini accommodation sa Hamad. Sa Hamad Hospital.
Oh, I saw a truck and it said there are people.
It's kuan to siya. Dito may mga reporters.
Where's the mall?
Reporters.
So, naman siya si pangutan na small. Pati naabot. We're exploring Doha.
Layo pa kayo uy do.
Is this far?
mga buildings
Ay,
na mga
why did you
ganon.
smile sa ako ang girl? Driver's girl.
Oh, dyan na sa tang area mo na pinaka-heart of the city.
Ay, the
The
They're
police.
still building.
Airport to
Lucille.
Lucille, Gatolino.
Dito sa ng mga building.
Pa-appreciate mo ba ang architectural
Parang tayo.
building? Yeah. Oo.
Nindang na ko, ano? Building ko.
Wala mo na naman.
I was the building.
Oh.
Pero pagkatapos hotel siya.
Oh,
Is that swimming pool?
Oh, mga
No, it's not swimming pool.
Ano na? Sea or ocean?
See, reclamation.
Reclamation?
Reclamation.
Hindi reclamation in the area.
Oh.
Una, puspuro, marang matumba.
Dito dapat
Napa na din hay box na murag.
lagi sigsag diri katong sigsag hotel mo nila gitawag sigsag hotel.
Parang lining-lining.
Napa na yung
Pero
boxes.
pero mag...
Na yung box oh, box. Box na
Oh,
murag.
nice.
Nindot na siya kung pasigaon.
Yan sa gabi, iba-ibang color, di ba?
Inaguli na tumapit lang pa to diri.
We're in the mall.
I-forward mo sa ako ang mga
The
ano.
mall. We're in the mall. Mommy.
Nag-vlog mo, Brad.
Cellphone na lang yung picture. Dali na.
Ay, uday no.
Kamera niya ba? Ako yung picture.
Ako ganyan, ako naman nag-picture.
Ay, si Daddy, bag man niya ko si mong cellphone, Daddy, kay mo na itong
Nindot
pang-picture.
sa pang-picture.
Daddy, kay
Pang-picture niya oh.
iPhone ka.
iPhone man.
Mahal kayo ni Abang, oy.
Sige na, pabakas ako eh.
Hindi siya marunong.
Daddy, ako lang da sa
iPhone 13.
iPhone 13 na Daddy.
Mommy, share.
Kay picturean ta mo.
Oh, diyan oh. Manaw ka diyon.
O, pwede?
Ba't pwede?
Bili mo ng traffic eh.
Okay, wala pa may dili pa ni full operational ni nga area. Hanggang ko construction pa.
Still under construction.
We are exploring Lucille. Lucille
But
City.
inside we're gonna go to the... So let's go to the mall.
Kaniyo, that's one na.
Dini, galit talaga ng ina ng purma ng building nga, Brad. The last time na ni Ari ko, kay dili pa na yung...
Oh my god, that's very scary, mommy.
Which one?
There, it's very high up. Yeah, everyone does. This is very nice. No, it's built. Wait.
First time na naabot ko sa deserto pag hindi na lang.
Oh, yeah?
Empty pa, empty.
Empty.
Pero may water na dire, wala. Hindi nakaabot
Water,
dire.
water, water.
Nakaabot ng water dire.
Oh, abot yan, iabuluan na.
I-reclaim na lang. Pero for them na mag-construct ng tall buildings, hindi man kasi reclaimed na.
I want to drink water ng gan. Wala na.
Pwede magpahatpag ta.
Man sila, balaan mo na ilang architecture na
Di mo nasakit. Tutang, ay boy. Oh, sa ako. Di mo nasakit.
Park.
Tuyok na.
No, ang katabang na
Parang
lang.
hotel, no?
Tang-tang na lang.
Yeah.
Hindi lang kayo mo ma-appreciate kung nakastungot kayo.
Yeah, I like to remove it, but I don't like
Operational na, ini, wala pa.
Wala ka ta.
Wala pa.
Dito lang tatakong dito kataning naog sa I Love Lucille, Brad. Or dito ka hadapit na ana din.
Asa na Brad?
Ito sa kanang may nakabutang nga I Love Lucille ba?
Dito mo
mamaya.
dito.
Nadiri, dagian na nato katong ning U-turn ta.
Gusto na mo balik ta?
Sige yan.
Pwede po dira unahan.
Kaya rin na kita mag-ano na lang. So,
Under construction.
hindi ba? Oh, so, pwede lang nga mag-park and
Hindi kanang sa ilang murag Cornish Brad ba? Anha lang ta mo.
Dire.
Sige, diha na lang.
Cornish sila.
ano furnish?
Kuan murag
Baywalk.
Baywalk.
We will let them see the thing here.
O there car park. Yeah. Stay sa tadiri mo.
Ano na yung ngalan sa sea?
Buwan.
I played when
Parking.
Grove Sea. Ay, mamut lang bitaw dito.
Parking ka dire?
Oh, sige, parking ka, Brad.
Where are we going?
We're going to see what's in there.
Kato dito. Itong the last buildings na.
We're gonna ride a boat to go.
No! You will just let them walk a little bit, then...
Sige lang, good board na.
Ano ko no?
Go to the island?
We will
Ay,
ride the
Jose,
boat.
someone's calling. Dati, nananawag ni mo.
Tam.
Spam.
Tam na.
Okay na, di na natin ito bago.
161.
1618933.
Oo, damo scam.
Thanks guys for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to turn notifications.
Comment down below.
What should we do next?
And you comment what we are going to do next.
See you guys in the next one.